everyone, we are back with another amazing video to help you understand the pros and cons of using C++ versus Python. The main differences between the two languages are how to make the right choice between these two most popular programming languages. Today, almost everything is automated and programmable, from banking applications to automated traffic monitoring systems. No wonder the number of software developers is expected to reach 28.7 million by 2024, according to the Statista report. There are around 600 programming languages out there, and new technologies, upgrades, and programming languages keep on rolling out into the market, making it difficult for developers to decide which tools to master in a way that promises them a rewarding career in the field. So, if you are someone looking to understand the differences between C++ and Python, the video is a must-watch for you. Keep watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so we can always stay connected and you don't miss out on anything interesting from us at forcebolt. Let's begin. Introduction to Python. Introduced in 1991, Python is a general-purpose programming language and is adopted widely because of its clear syntax and code readability. Python uses a lot of white spaces to make its code easy to read. It has excellent library support, making it easy to implement various programs and algorithms. Introduction to C++. C++ is a high-level general-purpose programming language created in 1970 as an extension of the C programming languages, or C with classes. It is usually involved in the development of large and complex systems. Modern C++ has object-oriented, common, and functional features in addition to low-level memory manipulation. Let's now move to the differences between Python and C++ in terms of syntax and general programming rules. Number 1. Python is much easier for beginners, whereas C++ is more complex, low-level language. Number 2. C++ has more syntax rules and other programming conventions because all C-like languages use curly braces and semicolons, whereas Python relies on indentation. Number 3. Python follows the write once, run anywhere rule, which means the code works on all operating systems. However, C++ code must be compiled on each operating system before it can be run. Number 4. Python treats the end of the line as the end of the statement. If you want your statement to span multiple lines, you must use a backslash. In C++, you need to use a semicolon to indicate the end of the statement. Number 5. C++ is a general-purpose programming language with its roots in the C language. While Python is also general-purpose, it is a high-level language, which means Python code is easy to read and understand. Number 6. In terms of usage, Python is the leading language for machine learning and data analysis, and C++ is the best choice for developing games and large systems. Number 7. Variables in C++ must be float or typed because those languages are statically typed. Dynamic input is a Python feature, which means you don't need to specify an object type. Number 8. Single and multiple inheritance works in both Python and C++. Number 9. Python doesn't allow you to handle memory directly. Instead, it offers automatic memory management, which is called garbage collection. Conversely, C++ doesn't have that features and all memory management is done manually. Number 10. Python dictionary versus C++ map refers to the simple differences between the terminology of these languages. In C++, a map is a container that stores values indexed by keys. The Python dictionary is the same but more flexible because keys and values don't have to be of the same type. Number 11. When it comes to game development, yes, Python can create simple games that will help you understand the basic logic and steps for creating games. However, for more sophisticated game development, C++ would be an ideal choice. Number 12. Python is an ideal choice for web development, especially in the backend aspect, but C++ is not a popular choice for web development projects. Number 13. Python only requires a few lines of code to perform complex tasks. On the other hand, C++ consists of large lines of code. Choosing between C++ and Python for your project depends on your experience and long-term goals. All these are potent and effective languages that will likely have what you need to get your job done. Thanks for watching this video. Stay updated with us for more.